Dear students, today I will tell you the summary of the lesson Kurg. So listen it very carefully. Kurg is situated midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Now this is Mangaluru. It is a heaven on earth carried gently by the air with great efforts from the kingdom of God. Here one can find the martial men who have shown their valor in the war. It is a home of evergreen forest, spices, coffee, wild animals, and other kits of shrubs. During the monsoon, it rains heavily, and visitors fail to enjoy the perfect bliss of the earth. From September to March, the weather is all embracing and the air breathes of invigorating coffee. In prime corner, one can see coffee estates and colonial bungalows. Kurg or Kodagu is the smallest district of Karnataka. Its people are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. As the story goes on that a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here since the return became impossible. So these people married the locals and adopted their rights. Even today, we can see some differences from the Hindu mainstream in that place. There is another theory of Arab origin that the Kodaks wear black coat with an embroidered waist belt known as kopia. It resembles the kufia worn by the Arabs and Kurds. Kurgi homes are very hospitable. It means for welcome. There are so many tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. The Kurg regiment is famous in the Indian Army. General Cariappa, the first chief of Indian Army, was a Kurgi. Only the Kodaks are the people in India who are permitted to carry firearms without a license. They are famous for showing almost bravery before the enemy. The flows the Kaveri river from the hills and forest of Kurg. Fish like mahashir and kingfishers etc. are evident in these waters. Other creatures like squirrels, langurs, and elephants enjoy the splash and ripple effect in the clear water. The elephants can be seen bathing and their mahouts scrub them. The games like rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, mountain biking, and walking trails are favorite with the trekkers. There one can enjoy the birds, bees, butterflies, macaws, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lories are there to accompany us. The birds sit on the trees, and keep a watchful eyes on the visitors. The ride on the elephants is very joyous. One can enjoy a climb on the Brahmagiri hills. It provides a clear, worth seeing view of Kurg. There one can see the rope bridge which leads to the 64-acre island of Nisargdham. Walking over this rope bridge creates trembling sensations in the body. There one can come across India's largest Tibetan colony. It is run by the Buddhist monks. It is near Bailakubi. It is inhabited robes by monks who wear red, ochre, and yellow robes. A number of visitors visit to discover the heart and soul of India in Kurg. One can see there by reaching Madikeri. It is the district headquarters. The misty hills, lush forest, and coffee plantation will cast a spell on us. From Bangalore, now Bangalore, Mysore, and Mangalore, one can reach Kurg by air and rail. So, this is the summary of the lesson Kurg.